adding business value. In video 1, we'll look at the top and bottom n. This is to show the top or bottom number of records using a custom ranking calculation. And here's the calculation. So the way the top n or bottom n works is you need a parameter. So we have a parameter here, simple enough. Top or bottom n and just the string values, so top, bottom n. And we need another parameter for the index, so simple enough. Index just here as an integer, picks up the top value anyway, and just the min and max, absolutely fine. So here's how the calculation works. So click on here, and so we're saying if the top or bottom n is equal to the top, so if the string value is top, then the index is less than or equal to the select an index. So if the index, which in this case is here, returns the index of the current row in the partition, is less than this number there. So this is a boolean, which basically means that show it as a true or false. So the second condition is size minus index is less than the selected index. This is a different kind of calculation. So if you look at the size here, it returns a number of rows in the partition. So what we're trying to do here is to say, if it meets any of those requirements, give it a true or false. In our instance, we want to always set it to true, which is how we've done it here. We go to here, click on edit filter, and set it to true. What this now allows us to do is choose top or bottom. You can see the switch here, and say a simple number like 5. So bring 5, and then say top 10, like that. Quite simple. A very unique feature within Tableau. If you know how to use the calculations and the mechanism as well, you can literally manipulate a custom rank function. I hope you find this particular feature or calculation useful, and I'll see you in the next video.